Hello everyone, thank you for being here. Today I'm very excited to share with you my inspiration for today's topic from dealing with my own challenges and also working with my client this week. So the topic today is how to effectively solve and address any problem that you may encounter gracefully. So one of the, as you know, there's so many way to solve problems. So today what I'm sharing with you is one of the many ways that I found effective, and it's depend on the time too. And this is not something that I made up. I learned from other master over the years, and I use it for myself, and I teach my other clients. So one of my mentor was saying that problem is simply question that doesn't have answer. So one of the effective way to solve problem is by asking great questions, because what happens when you ask great questions, you allow space for great answers to come through. The quality of your answer based on the quality of your problem. So and when we ask the relevant question, what it does is it put our focus on certain directions. And by having that focus, our feeling, our energy generate in that directions. Because here's the thing, the energy flow where your attention go. By shifting your focus, you change that. And a lot of time when we're in the problem, it's so easy to stay in the problem, and most of us get stuck in it and we couldn't get out. So the whole idea is to spend as minimal time in the problem as possible and spend a lot of time on to be a solutions. So here are the 6 series of questions that I usually ask myself and share with my clients. So when you have a challenge, the first questions that you can ask yourself is, what is so great about this challenge? You see how it shifts? Instead of like, why this is happening to me? What's wrong with me? Am I bad? Blah, blah, blah. Because that's where we normally or emotionally go. Ask yourself, what's great about this challenge? So then you demand your brain to go in the directions of looking for the positive sides of this challenge. And then once you write that down, and which I suggest you to write it down because it allows stream of consciousness to go through, the second question to ask is, what can you learn from this? Because by capture the learning from it, it's allow you to move forward easy. Are you with me so far? Okay. So write those down, right? And the third question is, what is not perfect about the situations? So what it does, what this question will do for you, it will help you connect to your reality, whether it's about the person, the problem, the person you're dealing with, or the situation you're dealing with, or about yourself. So then you can actually connect to it and work on it and move forward from that. You follow me on this so far? Okay, perfect. So far, 1, what's great about it? 2, what can I learn from it? 3, what is not perfect about this problem? Ready for number 4? Number 4 is ask yourself, what am I willing to do to solve this problem? What am I willing to do to have what I want? The reason why you have this problem because you haven't done the right thing yet, right? So then you can write down, what are you willing to do? So it put you on the action focus. Okay, so you write that down. And then the 5th question you can ask yourself is, what am I willing not to do to solve this problem? Because at some point you got to take a stand on who you are and your integrity. What line wouldn't you cross in solving this problem, right? So it's provide more clarity. And then the last question is, how can I enjoy the process? Because what this question will do for you is allow space for grace to come through. Because there is no one way to solve a problem. So it's all open the tremendous space for you to tap in to solving the problem, to tap into your grace. And really, and we're in this church for a reason, because really when you come from a place of love, you can solve problems so much differently. So with that, I really hope that will shed some light for whatever situation that you're in. Once again, I want to recap the questions. The quality of the answer comes from the quality of the question. And these is just one of the few. There's so many questions that you can ask yourself. What's great about this? What can you learn from this? What is not perfect about this? What are you willing to do? What are you willing not to do? And how can you enjoy the process? I hope this will be helpful for you as it has been helpful for me and many clients I work with. So with that, my friend, enjoy finding the answer to your problem and enjoy moving forward gracefully. Sending you much love and aloha from Hawaii. You've got love, as always.